Welcome to this video about Bitcoin's white paper. In this video, we will explain the key elements of Bitcoin's white paper, the original document that introduced the world to the revolutionary digital currency. What is Bitcoin's white paper? Bitcoin's white paper is a 9-page document authored by the mysterious creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto. It was first published in October 2008 and outlined the features and functions of Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency that operates without the need for a central bank or government. The white paper outlines the features and advantages of Bitcoin, including its distributed ledger technology, or blockchain, which allows for secure and transparent transactions across the network. It also explains how Bitcoin users can send and receive payments without revealing their personal information. The white paper also explains how Bitcoin's distributed ledger technology is secured by a network of computers, or miners, who are incentivized to confirm transactions on the network and keep the system secure. How has Bitcoin changed the world? Since the publication of the white paper, Bitcoin has become a global phenomenon. Millions of people around the world are now using Bitcoin to make payments, store value, and invest in the digital currency. Bitcoin has also inspired a new wave of innovation in the world of digital payments and financial services, with many businesses and governments around the world now exploring the potential of blockchain technology. What does the future hold? As Bitcoin continues to grow and evolve, its white paper remains an important document in understanding the digital currency's past, present, and future. As the world continues to explore the potential of digital currencies and blockchain technology, the white paper provides a valuable source of insight into the potential of this revolutionary technology. What many people don't know about the white paper of Bitcoin is that it was originally published on a cryptography mailing list. It was posted on October 31, 2008, and the original title was Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. It was later renamed Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. This was the end of this video. Like and subscribe now to get daily updates on the latest cryptocurrency white papers and stay up to date on the newest trends in the industry.